Stop everything. Look at these hands. This isn't a fresh set. This is nearly 5 weeks of life. 5 weeks of cleaning, working, and real-world battles. My client is back, and as you can see, there's zero lifting, zero cracks. It's flawless, like a perfectly glazed donut, absolutely pristine. But the story of these nails didn't start this way. She, like many of you, started in the DIY world. She had her little lamp, her Amazon kits, and a lot of hope. But we all know there's a moment when reality hits. And you realize that painting a picture is one thing, but being the surgeon of your own hands is a whole different story. Let's talk about the universal truth. Doing your nails with your dominant hand is easy. It's like a smooth line dance. But oh, ladies, when it's time to use your left hand to do the right one, that's where the real nightmare begins. It's like trying to play a championship game blindfolded. You lose control. The pressure of the E-file is off, and boom, you hit the cuticle. The secret to these 5-week nails you see here is professional preparation. And don't even get me started on the trapped hand syndrome. When one hand is in the lamp, the other is about as useful as a fork for eating soup. You're frozen there, watching life go by while one hand cures, and you can't even scratch your nose with the other. That's not beauty, that's an extreme sport. Beauties, for those of you doing your nails at home, I get it. But think about this. How many hours of your life are you wasting fighting with that right hand? Sometimes it's 4, 5, even 6 hours. Your time is more valuable than gold. Being a pro isn't just about filing, it's about understanding that the health of your nail is your #1 priority. Don't sacrifice your long-term health for a weekend experiment. Here's my pro secret, the side light reflection test. If you look at the nail from the side and see mountains or bumps, your leveling is off. A healthy nail should be smooth like a perfect pearl. Look at this final result, flawless, reinforced, and ready for another 5 weeks of success. Give me a like, all you DIY warriors, but be honest, how long does it really take you? I want to read your stories in the comments. Don't forget to check out my playlist, Pro Course, Advanced Hardware Manicure and Architecture. Blessings and stay stylish. Bye!